Let's say the gold yesterday created a bearish candle where the price has stopped at 3353.77 as support level. We can see that the price could not manage to go up or down between these two price levels, between the resistance 3430 and below that 3353 as support level. And we can see the price had problems on the 4-hour time frame, going outside from this small range area because something has held the price from this area where the price could not manage to go up or down. We can see that this range 3369 and upper side was 3393 has held the price for several hours until the breakout has happened in the 4-hour just before this session that is currently active, and the price has stopped right here at the resistance level 3407, a confluence of resistance. Yesterday, if you have watched my analysis, I have mentioned about that this could happen, that the price could reach this area of resistance and having problem going up, but also the problem was also on the lower side where the price could not manage to go further down, which means there is a fight between the buyers and the sellers. So the price is currently inside the range area where the first step has taken by the bulls who have managed to make a bullish breakout. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price yesterday was jumping up and down, going up and down. Yesterday, inside the premium analysis, I have shared with the traders this bullish breakout that has been formed here, targeting the next resistance level, and we can see that the price has dropped down first, testing first again support level, and then returning back up, targeting and also reaching the target I have mentioned. Feel free to check the link for the premium analysis, it will be below in the description. After that, we can see the price was jumping up and down, not very clear for the price, where the price tried to make a bearish breakout here. We can see this small attempt where the price did not manage to go further down, but it has returned back up. So we can see that in the 2 hours ago, the price formed this strong bullish candle going outside from this range area. We can see that the price is closed above this resistance level 3396, which is the first signal that there is a strength from the bulls. But I'm not pretty sure that this bullish breakout will be easily formed here around this confluence of resistance, because the price is stopped just here where the resistance is and then dropping slightly down. Will the price return back down inside range area, going also further down, going below this area of support, or it will try to attempt another bullish breakout targeting higher price levels? This is something that we need to watch. The daily time frame shows me a bounce from the area of support, which usually happens on the daily time frame. The price retraces from the support or resistance whenever it touches. So how strong and how far the retrace will be, that always depends. But currently the support is very strong, and we can see it was a pretty strong resistance. So it will acting as a support right now, and we'll see how strong and how long it will take. But currently on the daily time frame we do not have very clear information because the price is in between the resistance and the support level. 4-hour time frame shows me as an attempt of the bullish breakout going outside of this confluence of resistance. So this is an attempt, so we'll see will it be manageable for the bulls to make a bullish breakout. So for now I'm waiting outside of the market, waiting for a clean breakout, and also on the 1-hour time frame waiting for a clean breakout going upwards above 3407.03, or it will go down below 3368.89. Also remember, if there is any bullish or bearish breakouts around these levels on the 1-hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders with the target where the price could reach. So feel free to check the link and join other traders. That's all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.